everyone. My name is Joshua Nicolas, and my name is 15250-837.
And I'm Muhammad Taqi Maulana. My name 15250-22 and 8.
Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. My name is Joshua.
And I'm the guest. My name is Muhammad Taqi Maulana. Thank you for joining us today.
Today we are going to discuss two interesting topics. The first topic is the internet.
Yeah.
And later we will talk about artificial intelligence. Let's begin with the internet. The internet has become an important part of our daily lives. Almost everything we do today depends on the internet. In your opinion, what is the biggest advantage of the internet?
I think the biggest advantage is access to information. Before the internet, people had to go to libraries or talk many books. Today, we can find information within seconds. Students can study online. Employees can work remotely, and people can communicate with others around the world.
I agree. Besides education, the internet also makes communication much easier. We can send messages, make a video calls, and even attend online meetings from anywhere.
Exactly. Social media also helps people stay connected with friends and family, especially those who live far away.
Although the internet has many benefits, it also has some disadvantages. What the problems do you think about people face today?
One major problem is misinformation. Not everything we read online is true. Sometimes fake news spread very quickly, and many people believe it without checking really sources.
That's true. Another problem is online scams. Many people lose money because they trust fake website or fraudulent message.
Cybersecurity is also important. People should use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid sharing personal information with strangers.
What about students? How does internet affect their learning?
I think the internet has both positive and negative effect. Students can access online courses, educational videos, and digital libraries. However, they can also become distracted by games and social media or entertainment.
Time management is very important. Students should use the internet wisely and avoid spending too much time on unnecessary activities.
I completely agree. The internet is a powerful tool, but it depends on how people use it.
Okay. Thank you for sharing your ideas. I think we learned that internet offers many opportunities, but we also need to use it responsibly.
Absolutely, responsible internet use helps us enjoy its benefits while avoiding its risks.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Now, let's move to our second topic. Artificial intelligence or AI. AI has become one of the most popular technologies in recent years.
Yes, AI is changing many aspects of our daily lives, from education to healthcare or business.
Okay. First of all, how would you explain artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence is a technology that allows computer to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. For example, AI can recognize image, understand speech, answer questions, and even help some problems.
Okay, there are many people use AI every day without realizing it. Virtual assistants, recommendation system on streaming platforms, and navigation apps all use AI.
That's right. AI helps make our daily activities faster and more efficient.
Yeah. How can AI help students?
AI can explain difficult topics, help students practice language, summarize information, and provide personalized learning experience. It can also save time when studying.
Okay. However, do you think students should depend too much on AI?
No, I don't think so. AI should be used as a learning assistant, not a replacement for thinking. Students still need to understand concepts, solve problems independently, and develop critical thinking skills.
I agree with you. If students simply copy AI generate answer, they may not actually learn anything.
Yes.
Some people worry that AI will replace human jobs. What do you think?
I believe AI will replace some routine tasks, but it will also create new jobs. People will need new skills to work alongside AI instead of competing with it.
Okay, so continuous learning will become more important in the future.
Exactly. Technologies keep changing, so people should continue improving their knowledge and skills.
Okay, how do you think AI will have a positive or negative impact on society?
Overall, I think AI has more positive potential. It can improve healthcare, education, transportation, and business. However, governments, companies, and users must use AI responsibly and ethically.
I completely agree. Technology itself is neither good or bad. It depends on how people use it.
Yes, if we use AI wisely, it can help solve many real-world problems.
Okay, let's bring use the to the end of today podcast. We discuss the internet and artificial intelligence, including their benefit, challenge, and future impact. Well, that brings us to the end of today podcast. Throughout our discussion, we have talked about two important topics. There is the internet and artificial intelligence. We learn that both technologies have become essential parts of our daily lives and continue to influence the way we communicate, study, work, and solve problems. The internet allows people to connect with others around the world and provides unlimited access to information. However, we also discussed that it's come with challenges such as misinformation, cybercrime, and privacy issues. Therefore, it is our responsibility to use the internet wisely, verify the information we receive, and protect our personal data. We also explored the topic of artificial intelligence or AI is transforming many industries by making tasks faster, more efficient, and more accurate. It can support education, healthcare, business, and many others fields. However, we believe that AI should be used as a tool to assist human rather than replace human creative critical thinking and decision making.
I completely agree. Technology itself is neither good or no bad. What really matters is how people choose to use it. If we use the internet responsibly and apply artificial intelligence ethically, both technologies can improve our quality of life and help solve many global challenges. As students, we should continue learning about this technology because they will play an even bigger role in our future careers. AI, at the same time, we must develop to own skills such as communication, creativity, teamwork, and critical thinking, because there are qualities that technology cannot fully replace. I believe that by combining human intelligence with modern technology, we can create a better future for everyone.
Exactly. We hope our discussion has helped you understand both the benefits and the challenge of the internet and artificial intelligence. These topics are becoming more relevant every year. So it's important for all of us to stay informed, think critically, and use technology in a responsible and meaningful way. Thank you so much for talking the time with you, to listening to our podcast. We truly appreciated your attention and hope you found today's discussion informative, interesting, and enjoyable.
If you enjoy this podcast, we encourage you to continue exploring these topics. Ask questions and always stay curious about new technology. Learning never stops, and understanding technology will help us prepare to the future. Once again, thank you for listening. We hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, keep learning, and use technology wisely.
Okay, thank you for listening. And I'm the host, the topic 2, and you,
Wes,
and he the West, the topic 1. Okay, thank you for listening and see you in the next our podcast. Goodbye,
Thank you. Goodbye.
everyone.